Hello and welcome to the Your Company Mobiles review of this phone, the Nokia Lumia 625. Now this is one of Nokia's lower end smartphones, but even though it does have a budget price, it still comes with some very good specifications, and because of that Windows Phone operating system being so optimized for speed and performance, you still get absolutely great performance. Now let's take a little tour around the hardware. On the left hand side of the phone you get the quick button for the camera, the volume rocker up, down, and also the on off standby button. Round on the bottom we get the micro USB charging and synchronization port. On the other side nothing at all, and then on the top we get the 3.5mm headphone jack. Round on the back we get that 5 megapixel camera capable of recording 1080p at a full 30 frames per second. Now round on the front of the phone we get again a very nice screen from Nokia. This time the resolution quite low by 480 by 800 pixels, 4.7 inches, giving us a not too bad pixel density of 199 ppi. But because this is one of Nokia Lumia's screens, the actual clarity, color reproduction, color accuracy and saturation is absolutely fantastic, and these screens never disappoint on any of these Lumia devices. This budget one still doesn't disappoint either. Now the actual operating system itself, very excellent for business purposes. You can actually move around all of the tiles, giving you dynamic information exactly where you want it on your home screen without having to go into applications to take a look at that information. Now you may well have some line of business applications. A lot of those for Windows Phone do support these dynamic tiles, again giving you a very quick view of dynamic data when you need it right at your fingertips. In addition to that, it's very nice just for organizing your home screen and having it with just that little bit of personalization. Now when we take a closer look at some of the features on the 625 and also the operating system as well, you can see Microsoft have included the industry standard for Office documents, and that is Microsoft Office, full PowerPoint, Word and Excel, and the PowerPoint itself even gives you all of the full transitions, full functionality. You can plug this into an HDMI screen and actually have it output on a full size TV. So very useful for your business presentations. You can carry this around and attach it to pretty much any device you want to. All of your Word documents are also in here. You've got the ability to fully edit them with both graphics and text, and you've also got Excel spreadsheets with full support for charts, formulas and all of the things that you've come to expect from Microsoft's leading Office application, Microsoft Excel. In addition to that, we've also got Microsoft SkyDrive, so you can have all of your documents across all of your devices on the go. Very useful, and this obviously also ties directly into Office 365, giving you a full-blown Outlook experience with Outlook email exactly the same as you would expect to see it on your desktop or laptop computer, making sure you've got that overall familiarity with the way that it works. Very nice slide to navigate through all of the different sections, and in addition to that, if we actually come down a little bit further, we've also got a very nice inbuilt calendar. Now the calendar's got a whole bunch of different views built into it. You've got your daily agenda where you can actually set all of your appointments. You can obviously sync this up directly over ActiveSync to the very latest versions of Microsoft Exchange and some of the older versions as well, making sure that your organization is fully up to date with all of their appointments, details, agendas and items of to do. Now in addition to this, if you are someone who is out and about on their travels, maybe you're a traveling salesman for example, you have got full navigation in here from the Nokia Go Maps. You can even set your commute directly and have that reflect on the home screen with any kind of updates in regards to traffic coming through dynamically to that live tile we looked at a little bit earlier. Full satellite navigation in addition to that, very useful, and also full maps as well through the Here Maps application. Now the actual performance of this phone is very good. It doesn't have the highest specifications of any phone on the market with that dual core 1.2 GHz processor, but it does have a good Adreno 305 GPU, meaning the overall performance is actually very good. when you tie that in to an absolutely fantastic app store with some of the latest and greatest applications for both personal use and also for productivity as well, this phone really does give you a great option for your business. All of the functions whereby you might want to manage this via your existing management solution that ties directly into the likes of Microsoft Server Suite. You can also fully manage this device using all of the familiar tools you're used to by managing all of your actual local Windows devices. And overall, this is definitely a great option both for personal use and for business. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. Please do check out our website at yourcompanymobiles.com for all of the latest deals, and we will see you in the next review.